everyone, it's Melody Lane. I'm going to show you how to clean out your computer of all the Cricut plugins and how to restart and get a fresh design space on your computer. I just updated my computer. I've updated, it was like 2 weeks ago I should have updated my Mac. So this video is for Mac users only. It may help you learn if you have Windows, maybe how to do it on Windows that may be just a little bit different.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
So I'm gonna show you how I did it. I kept getting that plugin error with Design Space and it kept wanting to download and download and download. So I wanted to show you how to fix that or just how to start with the all new fresh Design Space. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is go down to System Preferences. I'm going to click down here, Users and Groups, and then I'm going to click Login Items, and then I'm going to unlock this lock. Put in my password, unlock, and then I'm going to select this. If you have lots of things here, that is going to slow your computer down when you start it up. Having lots of programs starting up when you turn on your computer will slow it down. I've already closed everything else out except for Cricut. So today I'm going to show you how to get rid of the Cricut. So we're going to click on this. Then we want to lock this back. And we're done with that. So now we want to go up to the top where you have the Cricut logo. I actually never use this. Sometimes this is how you can launch Design Space, but I just go to my Chrome browser and go to the design.cricut.com. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click Quit. If you want to know what version you're using, this is actually the most updated version, and as you can see, I downloaded it 5 times. So we're going to show how to get rid of all those downloads too. So we're going to go here and click Quit. Notice it is now gone from my toolbar up here. But if I go to my downloads, look at all these downloads. Lots of them. Okay, now we're going to go down here to the Finder and we're going to click on Downloads. Look at all these downloads. So I put them in order by name. To put them in order by name, just click on the word name. So I'm going to go ahead and click this first one. Click the Shift key and go all the way down to this one. And I'm going to right click, move to trash. Okay, I got them all down to the trash. I no longer have Cricut on my screen. Let's open up Chrome. Okay, here I went to the Cricut website. I'm gonna click Design. And that will take me to Design Space. Let's click on New Project, and there's the download. Now, I don't have it on this computer yet because I just deleted it. So let's go ahead and click Download. Normally, this does it all by itself, but with this download, this is the most recent one. It ends in 190119. That is the most recent one. For today's date is May 21st, 2018. If you're watching this later, there may be other plugins that are newer. This is the one for this date. And it's going to save it in Downloads. And I'm going to click Save. Now look, that came back again. Let's go to my Finder and we're going to click on Downloads. And we're going to find them by date. So we know we have today's most updated one. You can also find it right here at the bottom of your browser. I mouse over it and it shows me it's the correct one. I double click on it and then it opens up this. Double click on that and I'm going to click Open. And this comes up. And now I'm going to click Next. I'm not speeding this up or anything or cutting right now. This is all it says. I'm going to accept the agreement and install. Now it says it's done. The plugin went away and I click Done. Get rid of that. We're all good. We can start with our project. Yay! Okay, So that's how you start fresh with a new design space, and you won't have that plugin error anymore. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like this video if it has helped you. Thanks. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.